Yeah. 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 Morning all. Morning everyone. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear?
It's
Yes,
clear.
we can hear you.
Yeah. So in the last session, just I was discussing about data types, right? Data types. Data types are of two types. Fundamental data types and collection data types. Object holding single value. Collection data types, object holding group of values. Object holding group of values. Object holding single value, object holding group of values, right? X equal to 10, one object gets created. X equal to 10, one object gets created with value 10. This is going to have some address. The address is given to X. Object holding single value. This is what object holding a single value. X equal to list of values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? Here also an object gets created internally. Okay, it's going to have multiple values. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? Okay. Object holding group of values. Object holding group of values. So what are the various fundamental data types and what are the various collection data types? Fundamental data types. Fundamental data types, five types. Mainly there are five types. Integer, float, Boolean, string, complex. Okay. Age 25, example, integer age 25, float like weight 74.5, boolean which returns like true or false, boolean values, true means 1, false means 0, boolean values, right? String means like a city equal to Chennai, complex something in the form of x plus iy, but in Python we need to say x plus jy. Instead of I we use j here in Python. Complex type, list, tuple, set, dictionary. List, list of values, tuple of values, set of values, dictionary of key and values, right? Okay. Key value type. So for list, tuple, sets and dictionaries, they are represented list, tuple, set and dictionary, like list of values, tuple of values, set of values, and dictionaries of key and values, right? Okay. Okay. So yesterday I was discussing about integer 4 cases, right? Integer 4 cases. Two variables with same values, two variables with different values. Okay, fine. So whenever we install Python, so you can just go to this, right? Start menu, check where your Python is installed, right? Python 3.10, ideally, right? File, new file. Now, float data type. X equal to like 45.7. Print X, it prints the float value as it is. Type, what type means what value you have assigned to X. What is type of X? Yes. Type of X means what value you are assigning to this. What value you are assigning, right? Means float value, right? So address. Python 6 AM, right? Print X, type of X, and address of X, right? Type of X means it is float type, address where exactly it is stored, and the value print X, right? Okay. Boolean data type. It takes either true or false. True or false. T should be in uppercase, false F should be in uppercase. True T should be in uppercase, false F should be in uppercase, right? Okay. Okay. X equal to true. Type of X. Print X means it prints true. Type of X means Boolean type. Address of X where exactly it is stored, right? Address of X. Run module. Print X true. Type of X bool type. Address where exactly it is stored. Print X is true. Print type of X bool type. The address of X, right? Okay. Yeah, 1 second. Okay. String. Next is string. A string is a sequence collection of characters. A string is a sequence collection of characters. In Python, a string is represented using single quote in this way, double quote, and triple quote. String represented using single quote, double quote, and triple quote, right? A string is represented using single, double, or triple quote. Each character of a string is represented. 1 second. Each character of a string Each character of a string is represented using string supports two types of indexing. Forward index or positive index. String supports two types of indexing, forward index or positive index, backward index or negative index. Forward index or positive index starts from left to right, starts with 0. Backward index or negative index starts from right to left, starts with -1, right? X equal to, I'm taking a string like Python, python, I'm taking a string like Python. So internally, python, right? Python. It is going to have some address. The address is given to X. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Forward index or positive index? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This backward index or negative index? Backward index or negative index, right? Yes. Forward index are positive, backward index are negative index. forward index are positive, backward index are negative. Right? What is the value of x of 2? Try to answer. What is the value of x of 2 if you want to access a particular character?
T, sir.
T.
T. What is the value of -3?
H.
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 Yes. Either you can give with positive or negative index. You may ask, you may get a query like, why already we have got positive index? Why again negative index? Means, for example, if you have got a very big string, right? If you have got a very big string of 70 to 80 characters, I want to print the last character. Using positive index. How can you print? So, but it's very simple by using negative index type, print x of -1. It prints the last character. So in such cases, if you've got a very big string, so if you want to last character, last but one character, right, you can go for negative indexing. Multi-line comment, single line comment means start with has, multi-line comment means start with this and end with this. I'm keeping all this in comment, not executable, right? Okay. Now x equal to Python, x equal to, I'm taking a string within double quotes. So if you're taking anything within the double quotes, it is taken as a string type. Print x. Type of x. Print x, type of x is string type, str type. Observe this once. Run module. O type, string type, str. Type of x will be string type and len of x will be 6. Number of characters within the string, len of x will be 6, right? Okay. Type of x will be string type. What is the x of 2 value? X of 2 value is what? Print x of -2 value is what?
T.
T value,
T
okay.
and 0.
Oh, it's all right.
Sorry, sir.
X of minus 2 is O. T and O, right? Okay. Y equal to programming, right? Y equal to programming. Print x plus y. Print x plus y means concatenation, we say. Concatenation means adding two strings. Adding two strings. Adding two strings. First string followed by second string. Python programming, but I want space between Python and programming, right? So I'll add three strings. X is one string, Y is one string. Between this X and Y, one blank string. So you're adding three strings, X, one blank string, and Y. So you will get like Python programming, Python programming.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, instead of doing that one space in that string x plus y, is there any other attribute also? Like suppose we have taken the string Python. So after Python, can we give some space so that also is it possible?
it works. That also works. But generally, after strings, you okay. If there is no space, then you can add three strings. If you have got Python space, okay, that's also fine. Otherwise, we can go with separators. I'll be discussing next about separators. Using separators also, you can work. Multiple ways you can give space between the two values, right? One is adding a blank string between them. Otherwise, using separators, you can. What kind of separator you want between those? Like space you want or comma you want. Any kind of separator can be used. Later, I discuss about that separator input output statements. Next is like string slicing. String slicing, like extracting particular portion of a string, extracting particular portion of a string. Python program. I'm taking a string like this, Python program. Print x, the entire string is going to get printed. Now try to extract only Python from this. Extract only Python. Extract only Python means 0,
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One second. Python, Python, right? I want to extract only Python. Try to answer 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 to, try to say 0 to 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
5 and 6.
Yes.
Always upper bound is excluded.
Sir, you wrote over there 6. Is it 5 now?
Yeah, 1 second. This we call it as lower bound. This we call it as upper bound. Always upper bound is excluded. 6 is excluded. Up to 5 only it takes. Observe here. Always upper bound is excluded. The 6 will be excluded. Up to 5 means Python will take. If you use 5 here, 5 will be excluded. You will get up to Python. N will be missing in such case, right? If you use 5 here, 5 won't be considered. So here 6 won't be considered. Up to 5 it will take, right? Always upper bound is excluded. Now try to extract the middle portion of the string. For example, if you want to extract the middle portion of the string, the 4 characters P, R, O, G. Now try to answer everyone. Let's try to respond. How can I extract only this X of
0 to 4.
0 to 5,
0 to
sir.
5.
I doesn't want Python. I want the P, R, O, G, middle portion of the string.
0 to 4.
0, 5, sir. Sir, 5, sir.
7 to 11, sir.
7 to 11, right?
7 to 11.
Yes. See here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start with 7. 7 you want, 8 you want, 9 you want, 10 you want. Give 11. 11 will be excluded. 7 to 10 it considers, right? P, R, O, G. Okay. If I say in opposite manner, print X of 11 to 7. 7 to 11 means P, R, O, G. If I say opposite way, 11 to 7. Yes.
GORP.
Okay. GORP, right? GORP, no. You will get here empty string because always slicing in the forward direction. Because always slicing in the forward direction, right? Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
what will it print if we give x of 6?
X of 6. So empty. This is the 6, right? 6 means this empty space. So just observe this output for this current one, 11 to 7, empty string, right? So empty string. For x of 6 also, empty string it will print. Same thing. Okay. Extract PROG using negative index. Try to answer using negative index. Using negative index, try to extract print x of
-4 to -8.
no.
Sir, it will be empty string, sir.
Yeah, empty string because you are going in backward direction. But PROG, if I want to extract using negative index, how can I do it?
-7 to
Yes, -7 to yes.
-5.
-3.
-3.
Yes.
-3.
Yes. So -7 to -3. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. -7 you want, -5, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want, -3 you need to say, -3 excluded up to 4 it will consider, right? -7 to -3, right? Okay. Next, for example, extract the entire word program.
Seven to 12, sir. 7, 12.
7 to
14.
14. See here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14 index is not available. Can I give 14 here?
No. Yes,
14 index is not available, but still
it excluded, sir.
14. Okay, you can provide 14 here because 14 is excluded. It's not considered. We are not trying to access 14, right? Up to 13 only to consider. If you give 13 here, this M will be excluded. Yes. Otherwise, another way, x of 7 you give from 7 to Don't give the upper bound. Leave the upper bound. Means 7 to all the remaining it is going to rate, right? Okay. Seven to 14 or 7 to this. Both results the same output. If you are not giving the upper bound from 7th index to the end of the string, it reads up to the end of the string. Both results the same output, right? Yes. For example, now try to say how to extract program using negative index. Using negative index, how to extract using negative index, right?
So we need to leave upper bound as space. We have space there and
-7 to 0.
0 means again it will take this p.
-7 and leave the upper bound.
Yeah, exactly. -7 and leave the upper bound. If you're not giving the upper bound, right? Yes. -7 to leave the upper bound, right? It is going to read from here. Okay. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. -7 to you are leaving the upper bound. -7 to the remaining elements, right? So if we are leaving -7 to all the remaining elements, three statements results the same output. Program, right? Okay. Okay. For example, what if I ignore this lower bound? X of lower bound is ignored, 6 I have given. What is the output you get, right?
Python.
Yeah, Python will get what? Python, right? Yes. Okay. If you're not giving this upper bound, it will reach up to the end of the string. If you're not providing this lower bound, it will read from the start of the string to 6, excluding the 6, right? Python is the output. What if I ignore both lower and upper bounds? If I'm ignoring this lower bound and upper bound, right?
It will read a whole string.
Yeah, it will read the entire.
Python program.
Yes, it reads the entire string, right? Yes. Similar to print X. Similar to, like, observe this print X, similar to like print X of 0 to remaining. The last 3 statements results the same output, the entire Python program, this, and this. Can I take the combination of positive and negative index? Is it fine if I take like that? -7 to 11, is it valid if I use the combination of positive and negative? -7 to 11. -7 to 11, is it valid means, see, -7 means -1 2 3 4 5 6 7. -7 means P. 11 means what? 7 8 9 10 11. 11 means R. -7 means P. 11 means R. PROG is the output. Yes, it's valid. PROG is the output, right? Run module. -7 to 11. Valid. Now, what is the value of print of X of 0 to 14? And what is the output? 0 to 14 with a step of 2, with the increment of 2, right? 0 to 14 with a step of 2 with increment of 2. Yeah, and one more thing, you can, as most of you are asking, like for a WhatsApp group, right? Just 1 second. We unmute everyone. Yes, can you see that in a chart panel? Just I have given that you can just click that link and join that group, right? WhatsApp group for technical discussion, right? Okay. In the chart panel, just I have posted that link. You can just join with that link. 0 to 14 with a step of 2 means what is the output you are getting? 0 to 14 means okay. With a step of 2 or with the increment of 2 means only the even indexes 0 index, 2 index, 4 index, 6, 8, 10, 12. It is going to read only the even indexes, right? Even indexes only it is going to read, right? Okay. Run model only the even indexes. Say 0. See this output ones. It will read only the even 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, right? In this only even indexes. Okay. X of the same output you get. Just like the previous one, the same output. Colon, colon 2. X of colon, colon minus 1. So it has these two results the same output. With a step of 2 or with the increment of 2, right? Entire string with the increment of 2. This one reverses a string. This is what? A reverses a string. Python program, right? Yes. So this is what slicing, extracting particular portion of a string. Okay. Reverses a string, right? Okay, so this is what string slicing, string indexing, right? Still we have got more discussion on string, like the string methods are there, string functions, string special characters, right? We have got like fine. Reverses a string, and here we have got a lot more discussion on strings. We will be discussing, and one more thing, right? Okay. And there are many other students who has missed this session, and there are many other students who has missed that. Okay, some of them were asking for backup sessions, right? So 1 second. So okay, uh, Monday to Thursday, coming Monday to Thursday, they are going to sit some backup sessions. next your class will be on going to be on next Friday, which is going to start from next Friday. The batch is going to start. But as you ask, next Saturday and Sunday also they will be having some sessions. Only for the next Saturday and Sunday, there are going to be some sessions, right? Okay. So your batch will be starting from this coming Friday. And Monday to Thursday, if anybody wants to attend the backup sessions, what you have attended already, you can go with that. Okay, you can just already, if you are in the WhatsApp group, you can just ping me. I can forward you the link. Okay, you can join on Friday, next Friday, right? So batch will be starting from that Friday, but as a Saturday and Sunday, as we are missing the sessions, we'll be compensating on next Saturday and Sunday. Right? Tomorrow there is no, your classes will be from Monday to Friday, right? Monday to Friday. Tomorrow there is no session, no class. So I'm saying like that.
Saturday and Sunday is off.
Yes, still okay. Yeah, Khalil, you can just ping me 99. This is my number. You can ping me on this, right? Text message. You can just give me a text message on this, Khalil. Okay. So once again, I'm saying, once again, I'm repeating. So no confusion there. The next class, your next class will be on this coming Friday. Monday to Thursday, next coming Monday to Thursday, there are many students asking for backup sessions. So it will be going with backup sessions, and from Friday, actually your batch will be starting. And but as we are missing some classes from this Monday to Thursday, so next Saturday and Sunday you will be having classes. Right? Okay. Means if any one of you wants to attend the sessions previous, whatever you have backup, you can just ping me in the group. So I will provide you the link for that backup. But with the same link next Friday, you can attend with the same link, whatever you have attended today, you can attend the session from next Friday, right? Right. So tomorrow there is no session. We'll make it. Okay. If anything is there, you can just ping me in the group, right? Right. So I'm stopping here for today. Yes, meet you, right?
Thank you.